I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from.
Hello everyone. I am a junior high school student from Taiwan. This is my first time to join this competition. My name is Xu11. I learned this for 1 year. My team ID is TW5093. My category is RCAP CoSpace Rescue Challenge. FirstSteps U19. After this competition, I found that the opponent who has great skills and high score really surprised me. He did a lot of things that I didn't expect before. By joining this competition, we can learn from other people and improve our skills. Let the game be as wonderful as we can. In fact, before I chose SG5035, I had watched all of the videos from FirstSteps U19. But I felt that the way he coded is the most different from me. I think I'm lucky to be the opponent with him. As far as this question is concerned, I think the problem in my program is I got the wrong data on red. In the beginning, I was adding a new item in my program, and I am careful to modify the data of red, so I was confused at that time. After I examined my program several times, I finally found the mistake in my program. Fortunately, I found it, and I also know I cannot be that careless again. How to teach others who haven't learned this before? It is a good question to know that whether you understand about CoSpace or not. So now, I'm going to tell how do I teach them. First, I will tell them CoSpace just like game, that the rule is to get the treasure and put it in the opponent place, then we can get the point. Second, I will let them think about how can we get the higher score, like get more items as we can. The last step is let us use the code to have a competition with each other and to find if there is any bug in there. Along the wall. This is my route in my map. I use along the wall to get more score in shortest time. Marker. There are 2 markers in the map. One of them is purple, another is green. I use 2 markers to let the robot turn to a certain way more precisely or get scored more faster. RGB. If the robot collects one set of red, cyan, and black at one go, and deposits them successfully, it can receive 90 points. Go into deposit area. There are some tips can deposit well. For example, if the right color sensor let detect the orange area, it will turn right to deposit well. 2. When the robot is deposited successfully, you can let it to move forward or to move backward. It can cohesion the path easily. Feeling. This is my first time to join CoSpace competition. I think it is very profound because it has many things I can learn. In my view, learning new things is difficult but interesting. I think the most interesting thing in CoSpace is the finish coding by myself. It will let me feel full of sense of accomplishment. And the difficult part is when I come up a good idea but I don't know how to write it down by C code. Though I can't find every mistake in my code, but I'm still trying my best. Thank you for listening.